Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Sonali Jangale. I am studying in B.SC second year from Adarsh College, Jangale. Today we learn about ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Okay, in short we call ordinary differential equation as ODE and partial differential equation in with PDE. Okay, so let's start. Before we learn about ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation, we need to learn first about independent and dependent variable. Okay, so let's just see the definition of independent variable. So the variable to which value is assigned is called independent variable, and the definition of dependent variable is the variable whose value is to be obtained is called dependent variable. Let's take an example. Y is equals to x square plus x. Okay, in this equation when I plug in the value of x, then we get the value of y. So here y depends on the value of x, hence y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Now let us see another example. Z is equals to x square plus y square. Here in this equation z depends on the value of x and y. So z is dependent variable and x and y are the independent variable. Now let's proceed to the main topic of today's video. You all have it about two types of differential equations, ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. So there are two types of differential equation. One is ordinary differential equation ODE and another is partial differential equation PDE. So the definition of ordinary differential equation is the equation contains only ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to a single independent variable. It is said to be an ordinary differential equation. Let's take an example. If y is equals to x square, that is y is equals to function of x. Here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. If y is equals to x square, differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to d by dx x square. Differential of x square is 2x. Using formula d by dx x to the power n is equals to n into x to the power n minus 1. Simply ordinary differential equation represents by d. Now we discuss about the partial differential equation. Equation involves the partial derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to two or more than two independent variable. It is called as a partial differential equation. Now let's take an example of partial differential equation. If z is equals to x square plus y square, find del z by del x and del z by del y. Simple partially differential equation represents by del and ordinary differential equation represents by d. Given z is equals to x square plus y square, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, del z by del x is equals to del by del x x square plus y square. We can write del by del x x square plus del by del x y square. Differentiating x square is 2x and plus 0, because if in partially differential equation we will differentiate with respect to x and other variable is constant. Here y is constant. 2x plus 0 is 2x. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we get del z by del y is equals to del by del y x square plus y square is equals to del by del y x square plus del by del y square. Here again differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, that is x is constant, x square with respect to y, differential is 0 and del by del y square is equals to 2y. Hence del z by del x is equals to 2x and del z by del y is equals to 2y. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.